Hey everyone, it's Skipper Mark. I'm about to head outside, get a couple quick videos. This is Hurricane Isaias, or I'm not sure how you pronounce it. But yeah, a tree fell down across our street. So I just want to get a couple pictures of it. Thankfully it didn't hit what was I going to say? It didn't hit the poles, so we still have power. So I'm going to switch here to a telephoto view. Alright, so this is the tree. I don't want to be out under them very much, so I'm going to head back in. What? Yeah. Originally, just one tree fell on our street, but then a little later on, a gust of wind came through and knocked a huge pine tree down across the street. We still had power until the wind came and snapped the pole and totally destroyed the wires. Some houses and garages only suffered a little damage, but others suffered a lot. The tree at this house fell through the garage, crushing both cars inside, and it also hit their neighbor's house behind them. The whole garage had to be taken down. Some of the electrical poles only had a little damage and could just be re-straightened or supported with a second pole. But others were completely destroyed. After a few days without power, the phone company came through and replaced the telephone pole, but they didn't hook up the wires. The next day, another crew came through and did some more work on the poles, but we still didn't have power. Eventually, a group of guys came through from Billerica, Mass, and they hooked our power back up. We called them the Billerica Boys, and we're so thankful because we hadn't had power for about a week. While the Billerica Boys were hooking up our power, a group from New Jersey came and wanted to work on the poles too. But I think it was a first-come, first-served basis. Whoever got there first got the job. And the Jersey guys had to turn around and head home.